Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Brow Zone number 3, guys. I'm happy you're here. I wanted to show you something. I had mentioned in one of the previous videos that I had brought back some stuff from a storage unit on Hilton Head Island, and there were a lot of frames in there, a lot of oddball sizes that it's hard to find gallery wrap canvases for, but I love the way this looks. This is a gallery wrap canvas, but it's not a deep canvas. It's a thin canvas, and it's in a deep floating frame, but I don't know if you can see it. It gives the illusion kind of like a shadow box. So I wanted to show you this because I'm kind of digging on that look, and the thinner canvases are certainly less expensive, but I think that this is a really wonderful look. So I wanted to share that with you, and this is a 12 by 12 gallery wrap deep canvas, and it is in a floating frame. So I hope you can see the difference between the two, but I just wanted to share that with you because I love the way this looks, and I'm going to do some more of them. Let me go ahead and get these out of the way, guys. We are working today on a 18 by 24 inch reuse canvas. This is a canvas back. I think this is one of the very first pearl pour attempts that I ever did, and it's just okay. I've decided that if something really doesn't make me smile, I'll wait a few weeks and eventually I'm just gonna paint over it. It saves a little bit of money, of course, but that's Kathleen's new rule here. So we're working on this 18 by 24 inch canvas, and we're going kind of simple. I was relaxing in the backyard for a little bit today because it's a beautiful 80-degree, no humidity, not a cloud in the sky kind of day down here in sometimes sunny California. Excuse me, sunny Florida. I don't live in California. I live in Florida. But I was flipping through a little furniture store book. I think it was called Rove Concepts, and they had some really lovely abstract art on some of the walls in these beautiful rooms in this magazine. And I saw a very minimal kind of swipe. It was all done in black and white. It had split base coat colors, a little bit of white through here, a little bit of black through here, some more white over here, and where there was white, they swiped through with the black, or at least it looked like a swipe painting. And where there's black, they swiped through with the white. And it was just a cool look, and I thought to myself, you know what, Kathleen? Why don't you give that a try? So that's what we're doing here today. Simple, easy, breezy swiping. And we're using just 2 colors in this big old container right here. We have Artist Loft Soft Body in the black. I love these as a base coat paint, guys. They're self-leveling. They're not a heavy body paint. They're extremely easy to mix up because they're not a fluid paint, but they're not a medium body paint. They're kind of in between. So I'm digging on them. And in this container right here, we have Artist Loft Soft Body in the white. And then in these 2 little cups, which have a lot of bubbles in them, because I just mixed this up furiously, is more of the Artist Loft Soft Body in the black, more of the Artist Loft Soft Body in the white. Let's go ahead and look at our consistency, guys. Our pouring medium today is my Swiping pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, and a nice squirt of GAC 800. Now, my black paint is a leftover paint, and it might have a little bit of the Amsterdam pouring medium in it. I can't remember, but I'm at the bottom of the barrel on this guy, and one of my leftover cups did have a little bit of the Amsterdam. So we won't know until we try it, because the Amsterdam pouring medium has kind of a different cell formation when you swipe it. So that's what we're doing. Easy breezy, guys. What else? I think that's it. Fluid Art blah, blah, blah. Take 2. Fluid Art Boutique in Washington, D.C. in May. I am so hoping to meet some of you live and in person, get the chance to hang out, get the chance to paint, get the chance to share any and all information I have learned on this girl's pouring journey with you all. But to see some of your faces, the ones that comment and are always there for me, would make my heart sing, guys. So website will be up soon if it's not up already. If any of you have questions, just reach out and I will give you all the information that I can. You can email me at cozcreationsart@gmail.com. Hope to see you in DC, guys, in a couple of weeks. I'm over the moon excited. So there you have it. I'm going to go ahead and put some tunes on for you, put some tunes on for me. I'm going to take a little bit of time because it's kind of a complicated split color base coat, so I'll probably fast forward through that part for you guys. Thanks for joining me. Let's get busy.
sunflower.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along, I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that. This or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or bed by night. This or I wanna see it all, find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild, catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map, I'll let you know when we've arrived, yeah. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that. This or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. So just be brave and come along, I wanna do it all. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight.